What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kylie and we back with another video. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kylie and we back with another video. So today's video is going to be sponsored by Nadula Hair. They sent me this deep wave hair. As y'all can see, it's highlighted. We're going to be trying this today. So if you want this hair, make sure you click the link in the description box. Everything will be down below. So as y'all know, a week ago I had did a video, first time ever installing a wig on myself. So now it's my second try and we're gonna see how I do. So yeah, everybody was telling me I need to put it up farther. So that's what I'll be doing in today's video. So I did bleach the unit and I did pluck it. So I'm gonna show y'all. So this is the plucking. So boom, I definitely did better than last time. Make sure y'all already know we finna braid this hair down. We're gonna do 2 braids because like I said, I can't braid on my hair. Can't do scalp braids. So I'm gonna do those 2 braids and I'm gonna be back. But while I'm braiding my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I had bleached the hair and what I used, shampoo and conditioner, and how that went. Alright y'all, so I did the 2 braids, slicked my edges down. I'm trying to put this wig cap on. Alright y'all, so this time I'm gonna be putting more of this spray. Alright y'all, so I did reapply my cap and I used Got To Be spray. So that was my problem. I will only be using Got To Be spray from now on. So let me see how this wig looking before I add the makeup. And let's see. So hopefully when I add the makeup, we can get that situated. But yeah, you guys, I need y'all to comment down below. Like, what do I need to be doing to where the bottle cap don't show under the wig? Because that's basically like the only problem I've had. Alright, boom. Got that cleaned up. Alright, I did add some makeup to the actual lace, so let's see. Okay. This gonna be real cute. So I'm gonna apply the glue. There go the second layer. We're gonna do it good. Third layer. Alright, so it's on there. I'm gonna let that dry and I'll be back when it's time to cut the lace. as y'all can see, it's the hair. So I'm gonna cut the lace. So this how the wig look with no edges. I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, period. Now we finna add some mousse and see how it do. Okay, I think I'm gonna add some got to be glued on it because it ain't really staying. I'm really doing good though. Alright y'all, so my phone had died, but this is the edges. I did better on this side. Like this side I did real good. It's giving real hair. But this side just ain't gonna do right for shit. So yeah, I'm gonna tie these down real quick. And we're gonna add this mousse to the hair. So this how the hair look with the mousse. I like the curl, it's cute. Alright, we're gonna take this lace band off and see what it's giving. Alright y'all, so this gonna be the final look. So this was my second time and I think I did real good this time. Don't play with me. You know, I'm not a hairstylist, I'm not a professional, but I most definitely just did it. So yeah, y'all let me know in the comments if you like the hair. Of course, with more and more practice, I'm just gonna keep getting better and better and better. Like, this just my second install. But yeah, y'all, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. I don't know why it took me so damn long to do this, but I'm gonna keep this in for a few days because it's cute. But yeah, that's gonna be the final look. Once again, if y'all want this hair, make sure you check the description box below